How long does it take to train staff at pop-up drink stands to make boba? It typically takes about 1 to 2 days to train staff to make boba drinks properly. Training staff at pop-up drink stands to make boba usually involves teaching them how to prepare the tapioca pearls, mix the tea or milk base, and assemble the drink correctly. The tapioca pearls need to be cooked just right, which can take about 30 minutes, and they must be kept warm in a sugar syrup so they stay chewy and sweet. Staff also learn to use machines for shaking or blending the drinks, which is important for getting the right texture and taste. Measuring ingredients accurately is a big part of the training because too much or too little sugar or tea can change the flavor. It is also important for staff to learn how to clean and maintain equipment to keep everything sanitary. Many pop-up stands use recipes that are simple enough to learn quickly but require practice to get consistent results. An interesting fact is that some stands use pre-cooked pearls to save time, but fresh cooking usually gives better texture and flavor. The training also covers customer service skills since talking friendly and answering questions helps customers enjoy their experience. One common mistake is rushing through the cooking process, which can make the tapioca pearls too hard or too soft, ruining the texture of the drink. A helpful tip is to always use a timer when cooking pearls and check them regularly. Another misconception is that all boba drinks are made the same way, but depending on the stand, recipes and techniques can vary a lot, so staff need to follow their specific recipe closely. Sometimes new staff forget to clean equipment properly, which can lead to bad flavors or even health issues. To avoid this, trainers should emphasize cleaning routines and have staff practice them during training. Lastly, some people believe that shaking or blending the drink is just about mixing, but it actually changes the texture and taste by aerating the drink, so it's important that staff learn the right shaking technique. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called JawBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and offer their estimates.